Smart M3 Pro and M3 Pro Mini Tutorial, AI Tracking Mode Guide. First, let's learn how to use the AOCHUAN single-axis AI tracking gimbal for intelligent tracking. Hold the gimbal arm and pull it upward to extend the built-in extension rod. Press the bottom of the tripod and the legs will automatically unfold. Place the device on a table. Release the lock button and rotate the phone clamp so that the AI camera faces forward. Hold the phone clamp and insert the phone directly. Both portrait and landscape orientations are supported. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Single press the power button to turn AI tracking on or off. Gesture control function. After powering on, the indicator light is blue by default. Gesture control is enabled by default. Use the OK gesture to start tracking. The indicator light will turn green. Open your palm to stop tracking. The indicator light will turn blue again. During tracking, you can use the double L gesture to disable gesture control. After disabling, the indicator light turns yellow. Tracking continues, but the OK and palm gestures are disabled to prevent false recognition during shooting. Use the double L gesture again to re-enable this function. If the green light flashes during tracking, it means the subject is lost. Tracking will resume once the person reappears in front of the camera. You can also use the Bluetooth remote control to operate the device remotely. Remove the Bluetooth remote to view the button instructions. Press and hold the shutter button on the remote to power it on. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and connect to gimbal. The indicator light turning off means the connection is successful. After successful connection, single press the shutter button to take photos or record videos. Double press to turn AI tracking on or off. Triple press to enable or disable gesture control. The orbit motion button enables automatic camera movement. Single press for 200 degrees automatic rotation. Double press for 2 cycles of 200 degrees forward and reverse rotation. Triple press for 1 full 360 degrees rotation. Press and hold for 3 seconds for continuous 360 degrees rotation. Press and hold the left button to adjust the shooting angle counterclockwise. Press and hold the right button to adjust the shooting angle clockwise. Double press the mode button to reset the phone to center position. To store the device, insert the Bluetooth remote into the slot. Rotate the phone clamp so the AI camera aligns with the lock knob. Then push the lock button to complete storage.